Welcome to my kitchen. I love to cook and I love to share recipes with friends. Today I've got one of my favorites, which is a pasta salad that is quick and easy and really delicious. We're going to start with Holista pasta. You can do either the Holista Linguine or spaghetti. I'm going to do linguine today. And the fun part is I'm going to take half a package. Half a package will be enough for 6 people as a side dish, as a pasta salad, and just break them all up into little pieces. If you've got children, they love to do this. Just make them up into little bite-sized pieces. And the rest of the package. There we go. Cut those, break those up. There. Great exercise. Here we go. Now, once you have them into little bite-sized pieces, just put them in, add them to a pot of boiling water. Give it a stir. And just wait for the water to come back to a full boil. And it looks like it is just about there. Right. So all you do is set your timer for 3 minutes and your pasta will be done. Okay, 3 minutes is up, so we're ready to drain the pasta. Okay. There we go. And what I like to do, I normally do not rinse our pasta, but I like to cool it down for this recipe. So I am going to do that. Give it and just make sure the water drains off. It's still kind of hot. Just get it cooled down a bit. If you're making pasta for a hot dish, I do not recommend pouring cold water on it, but in this case we want to cool it down so we can have a pasta salad that can be served room temperature, or you can refrigerate it and have it for later. I like my pasta al dente, and with Holista pasta 3 minutes is all that you need. Right. Now I take the pieces of pasta and I just add it to this big bowl. What I love about this recipe is that everything is just made in one bowl, except the dressing. So it's quick and easy and not too much to clean up afterwards. So we take 8 ounces of Bocconcini, which comes out to about 1.5 cups, of course drained. 3 cups of sliced cherry tomatoes that have been cut in half. 1/2 cup of fresh basil. I love fresh basil. If you don't have fresh basil, you can always do dried, but this is the smell. I just love it. So you can never have too much basil. Then I take 1 avocado chopped up into 1-inch pieces. There we go. Give it a nice stir. Isn't that beautiful? I love the colors here, the green and the red, so vibrant. Then we make the dressing. You take, oops, piece of pasta got into my garlic. 1 garlic clove smashed, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. When you're finished the recipe, you can always, salt and pepper to taste if you prefer, add a little bit more. I try to cut back on salt as much as we can, but you do have to add it a little bit for some flavor. Then I pour it over. And here we are with the finished product. Just make sure you blend it all together. But isn't that gorgeous with the colors in there and the flavors coming up from the basil? The tomatoes are beautiful and juicy and red. This is really something that just looks so pretty to serve. Here we go. I put it into a pretty bowl, and there you go. And you know, nice to present it. What I like to do also is decorate it with some lovely basil. And there's a great side dish that is served beautifully with grilled chicken, or if you're a vegetarian, it makes for a great main dish also. Enjoy, and if you want more details, we have the full recipe on holistafoods.com website.